Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Durple. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the horns. Let's start with a curve on the left, and the same thing on the right side, leaving a gap. And let's draw two long angles up on top of each one, meeting at a point. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. In between, let's draw a curve across. Then continue it on the other side with a curve down and back up like this. Next, let's hop in and let's draw two large circles for the eyes. And then a line across in the center of each eye. And then a curve underneath. And color both of these in black. Now tap on top of each eye and let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. Then hop down and a line across for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now top out, and on the sides of the head, let's draw an angle up on the top here, and the same on the right. Then let's curve it down. And then bring it back up at the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with two angles down and out. And then a line across at the bottom. And that's it for Durple. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!